Okay, we're gonna go down Rua de Évora, so we're gonna go directly down that way. And we're kind of in this little Taipa area, so we'll just kind of show you exactly where we are. There's Avenida de Guimarães, and we're gonna go straight down that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Évora. So this is about 6 o'clock in the evening, so you can kind of see the lights are starting to come on a little bit. There's a lot more activity around. There's so we're going to be going down Rua de Nam Keng, which is this one right here. We're going to be going down Évora, but this is this one. So you kind of have all these, this one goes all the way down to Central Park, and then way in the distance you can see Macau Tower. And I think on this side you can see Morpheus, the casinos, Cotai strip. So basically we're kind of in the Cotai, we're in Taipa, and we're walking towards, go down Rua de Évora right here. So we're going down this one. And we're going to be walking by kind of a busy supermarket. And that's kind of one of the reasons I chose this street, because there'll be more street activity. Yeah, and actually the timing-wise right now it's 6 p.m. so there's definitely a lot more people around. Gonna get some, this one's Japanese. Yep, sashimi. There you go. Asahi beer. There's Samurai. This is a parking garage right here, so people will park up that way. And we're gonna go straight down this way. I just realized my camera's on 2.7 and not 4. But it's still pretty good. We'll just still follow it down. McDonald's to the left, and there's also a park all the way down that way as well. And we're gonna walk by kind of a busy supermarket. Go into that one briefly. We can't go inside. Can't bring a camera inside. Okay. So over there is a nice city park. Kids can play it. There's goldfish, turtles, stuff like that. And this one is kind of another main street that goes down to Taipa Park, Taipa Central Park. Straight down that way. And that's where that park is at. This is a pretty busy road, so maybe what we'll do is we'll just follow this down past this, and we'll try to navigate a little bit in that way, so you can just poke the camera into that park so you can see a little bit of what it looks like. Let's see here.
What do you call that?
There's Fortress. So Fortress is a well-known chain that sells appliances, stuff like that. Parking shop. We're not going to go in a parking shop, but we can definitely walk in a little bit. Sometimes there's a security guard, but I don't think we can bring my cameras into places like, but we can definitely go a little bit closer. You can see some of the other stuff in here. Wine is everywhere in Macau, so there's Watson's Wine, big wine shop right there. And it's other produce. They got a Portuguese bakery right here too, so that's really well known for good bread. Just gonna zoom in a little bit. These are all really tasty. Okay, so we're gonna fade out. And I think we're gonna walk. This is Rua de Évora. Évora? Évora. We're gonna walk over to that park over there. So I think we're just gonna stick our camera in there. You have to do a COVID. Have to show your COVID ID, your COVID health check, which I have, but I don't really want to get that out of my pocket and disrupt the flow of the film. So yeah, Évora just keeps going all the way down, and we're going to go across here. There's a nice park right here, so we're gonna just stick our camera in there. There you go. So that's part of it. Got all these little pavilions. You can sit on these benches right here. And then way down in there, there's like a little skating place. There's goldfish, all kinds of stuff. So it kind of goes around a whole city block. And we're gonna go down, show you this little space as well. Got some cartoons here. Hey! We'll just kind of show you this little space in here. So there's a nice restaurant in the corner. There's something right there in that space too. And let me just see. I'm gonna walk. Recently I saw this Japanese place that has it's not open right now. Oh no, here it is. Oh, it's a hair salon. This one. So this one has Lobo. Yeah, it's like a place that has, it's like a kind of a small, tiny little bar. You can try some of the drinks in there. Yeah, I think it's all wine. I've been thinking about trying that out sometime. All right, so we're gonna go back down to Évora. And we'll probably end it shortly when we get back. And that's Rua de Évora. Let's just cross this street right here. There's a bar all the way down to the end. I think we'll just end it right there. So you got all these kind of, there's a bar down there, but I don't really want to film it. I filmed it before. Just search for Évora. I can't always film. I don't always want to film every part of every street all the way down. So sometimes I'll just get little pieces of it, and I think it's good overall because then it'll give you different pieces of time. But I think what I will do is I'll walk back this way because sometimes it's just kind of a good little kind of people watching area because there's big supermarket here and a lot of people will come down, and the lighting is just about perfect right now too. So we'll just come back in front of the market and we'll turn off the camera. So okay, so it's walking Macau, and that's that's the park over there. Let's end it right here.